In this video, I am going to share with you the best tips to have perfect vision. 10 foods that can help you keep your eyes healthy. If you're looking for natural ways to improve your eye health, you've come to the right place. Keep watching to discover the best foods for perfect vision. 1. Carrots. Carrots are known to be good for the eyes, and for good reason. They contain high levels of beta-carotene, which is converted to vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is essential for eye health as it helps prevent retinal degeneration. 2. Broccoli. Broccoli is rich in antioxidants, such as lutein and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants help protect your eyes from the sun's harmful UV rays and may reduce the risk of developing cataracts. 3. Spinach. Spinach is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, just like broccoli. It also contains high levels of vitamin C, which can help prevent macular degeneration. 4. Walnuts. Nuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for eye health. Omega-3s can help prevent macular degeneration and dry eyes. 5. Beans. Beans are high in zinc, which can help protect your eyes from the sun's harmful UV rays. They also contain high levels of folic acid, which can help prevent macular degeneration. 6. Fish. Fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, as are nuts. Salmon, tuna, and mackerel are some of the best options for eye health. 7. Eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of lutein and zeaxanthin. They also contain high levels of vitamin E, which can help prevent macular degeneration. 8. Berries. Berries, such as blueberries and raspberries, are high in antioxidants that can help protect the eyes from the sun's harmful UV rays. They also contain high levels of vitamin C. 9. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are high in lycopene, which is an antioxidant that can help prevent macular degeneration. They also contain high levels of vitamin C. 10. Pumpkin. Pumpkin is rich in beta-carotene, just like carrots. It also contains high levels of vitamin C. Conclusion. There you have it, the 10 best foods for eye health. If you want to have perfect vision, make sure you include these foods in your diet. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any more videos on health tips. Thank you very much for following us. Subscribe to our channel and give it a like.